unlock your app development potential, in this tutorial you'll learn how to install Flutter on Windows 11, updated for 2025. Ready to build beautiful, natively compiled application for mobile, web and desktop from a single code base? Let's get started. So open your web browser and search Flutter. And click on the official website flutter.dev and simply click get started. Click on it here and select your platform. Windows is here, click on it, and they say choose your first type of app. So I'll use Android, they recommend it also, so click on it and scroll down, just click on download and install. You can see the download and the following installation bundle to get latest stable release of the Flutter SDK. Just click on it to download here. You can see my files is already downloaded started. So we will wait for the downloading and after that we will come back. So our file is downloaded completely, but I want to show you something which is the warning. You can see the word about the thing, don't install Flutter to a directory or path that meets one or both the following conditions. Okay, that's mean they said in the C program, C drive, the program files meet both conditions. That's why we don't need to extract the files in this folder. So at first what we do, we will go to our download, open the folder and extract here. You can also extract all here. Just click on extract. Okay, after extracted the files, you will get the folder here. Just click on it and you get this Flutter folder. And what you have to do, you can also copy this or cut also. I will just copy from here and I will paste it into local disk C in the directory. Just paste it here. Okay, after copy the folder here, we have to update our system path. So what you have to do, just open this folder and you can see the bin here. You can see the bin, just click on it and copy this path here. Now we have to search the environment variable. You can see this edit the system environment variable. Click on it and what do we have to do, we have to do the environment variable. Now you can see this path here, just click on it and edit here. Now we have to add our path here, so just click on new and paste the path is here and click on OK and OK here and OK also. Now what we have to do, we have to check our Flutter version worked or not. Just click on CMD here, type Flutter version. Okay, they're building Flutter tool, running pub upgrade. Here you can see our Flutter version is worked perfectly. So I hope this video will help you. If this video will work, then do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.